Welcome back to my channel. This right here is the shoulder fringe. I'm going to show you how I made it. Making shoulder appliques can be demanding and tasking because of how much time was put into creating the shoulder, but there's a hack that I just created. So the hack is, if you have a luxury fabric, use the luxury fabric for the shoulder and then attach the beads to it. Or you can make a plain fabric, and then if you have appliques or patches somewhere, just stick it on the shoulder and then fix your fringes at the bottom. It will still look elegant and classy with little work. In this case, I used the fabric that I used to make the outfit. So what I did right here was to cut a circle out of the fabric. Now if you look at this circle, it is not a perfect circle. You could also make a perfect circle. It doesn't really matter, because what you need is half of the circle. So you fold it into two like this, and then you go to your sewing machine and sew it together. Create a little space at the edge so that you can turn it over. So I went to the sewing machine, I sewed it. This is what it is. So I'll be turning it over right now. Just turn it over like this, and you can go ahead and fix whatever type of fringe that you want. For this particular one, I just did straight fringes. I did it in baby pink, and I just made it straight. But there are different types of beaded fringes I have on my page. You can just check them out. So this is what it looks like when I finish fixing the fringes on it. Do you like it? Another thing to make sure to do is that if you have your way, you attach the shoulder applique directly to the dress on the client's body if you can. So that's what I did right here, so that it can sit perfectly. I forgot to mention that you need to fix the fringe on the straight side, not on the semicircle side. So that's what I did, the straight side. Yeah, so I turned it that way, and then I just attach it right now, and I'm going to be using my needle and thread to attach it to the dress. So if you have your way, I would rather you do that, because sometimes when you do it in the absence of the owner of the dress, the fit may not really align, so you may have to adjust it. So this is what it looks like by the time I finished working on it. This video was everywhere, and I'm so sorry about it. Next time I'll settle down and create a proper arranged video, but I'm sure you get it. If you don't, like I always say, just let me know. Yeah, so we did a whole lot of other work on the dress. That's what the owner wanted, and we're able to do it. She liked it and all that. So but for this video, the shoulder is our main focus. Thanks so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.